This lesson is about addition in bases. We are going to carry out addition in different bases, base 2, base 3, base 4, and so on. So let's take the examples. So we're going to arrange it. Yes. 1 0 0 1 plus 1 1 0 1. Okay. So in base 2, the highest number is 1. So anytime we are adding 2 in base 2 is 10. 2 in base 2 is 10. And 2 in base 2 is 11. And 4 in base 2 is 2. So you need to get the other numbers. You just have to divide by 2. 4 divided by 2. 2 into 4 is 2. And that's 0. 2 into 2 is 1. And 0. And 2 into 0. And 1. So 4 in base 2 is 100. So that's okay. So let's begin. So 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Don't forget 2 in base 2 is 10. So we're going to write down our 0 and carry 1 over to this place. So 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 in base 10 is 2. 2 in base 2 is 10 rather. So we're going to write down 0 again and carry 1 over. So 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. Since we don't have any number here, we know we've carried over. We're going to write down the whole figure. So our final answer is 10100 in base 2. That's so number 2, 1101 plus 1011. So let's arrange 1101, 1101. So let's add 1 plus 1 is 2, but 2 in base 10. 2 in base 2 is 10. So 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 10. And then 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10 plus 1. That is 3. 3 in base 2 is 11. So write down 11. That's our answer. And number 3. 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 1 1. So let's arrange it. This is 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's 1 1 0 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So we add. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in base 2 is 10. And that's 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 1, 10. That's 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 10. 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 in base 2 is 11. And that one carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. So 1 plus this one, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10. Carry right down to 10. So this is our answer in this 2 and 4. 3246 plus 53206. Let's start with bigger number 53236 8 4 324 3246. Okay, so in base 6, the highest number is 5. So 6 in base 6 is 10, and then 7 in base 6 is 11. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Let's find what 7 will be in base 6. So divide 7 by 6. 6 into 7 is 1, remainder 1. 6 into 1, 0, remainder 1. So it's 11. And just 1, remainder 1 carries over. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 6. 6 in base 6 is 10. So right now 0 carry 1. 5 nothing here. So 5 plus this one 6, and 6 in this 6 is 10. So this is our answer. Number 5. 7, 4, 6, 8. 7, 4, 6, 8 plus 4, 2, 2, 8. 4, 2, 2, 8. So in base 8, the highest number is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 in base 8 is 10. Carry 0, carry 1. Carry this 1 over. 4 plus 2 is 7. Plus 1, 8. So it's 10. Carry 0, carry 1 over. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 1, 12. So let's find out what 12 is in base 8. 8 into 12 is 1, remainder 4. 8 into 1, 0, remainder 1. So 12 in base 8 is 14. Since we don't have another number here, we're going to write down 14. So this is 14. This is the equivalent of this is the result of this addition in base 8. Right. So that's your answer. Number 1. What we're going to do in this number 1 is to find the missing numbers if the following addition is in base 6. Okay, so if you are looking for these numbers and the operation is addition, that means we can, if we subtract this value from this final result, we're going to get what was added to this number to get this result. So let's write this out. 1, 0, 0, 1, this 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, this 6, plus 1 plus, subtraction. So 1 minus 4, we can also need to borrow. Now, in addition in other bases, whenever you are borrowing, the value you are borrowing from, okay, in this case, we want to borrow from here because it's 0, 0. So if you borrow 1 from here, the one we are borrowing is not 1, we are borrowing 6. So this also applies to other bases. If this base were 2, if you are borrowing any number from here, it would be 2. If this base were 5, if you are borrowing 1 from here, in base 10 is 1, but in other bases is the base that you have here that you are borrowing. So in this case, if I'm borrowing 1 from here, it is 6 I am borrowing. So if it comes to this place, this is 6. If I borrow 1 from here, this place will become 5, and here will become 6. So if I borrow 1 from here, here becomes 5, and here becomes 6. So 6 plus 1, that's 7. So 7 minus 4 becomes 3. And here it goes 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And here it's now 0. So our answer is 2, 3, 3, 6. So says express 2134 plus 2024 in ternary. So ternary means in base 10. However, we need to add this up first in base 4, then we convert the answer to base 10. So 2, 1, 2, 4 plus 2, 2, 4. So when added, we have 3 plus 2 is 5. So it's now greater than the base we are working on. So this is base 4, and 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is greater than 4, which is the base we are doing the addition in. So 5 in base 4, we convert it. So 4 into 5 is 1, another 1. 4 into 1 is 0, another 1. So 11. 5 in this 4 is 11. So write down 1, carry 1. So this is what you do anytime you are adding, you are subtracting or multiplying, and you discover that your answer is greater than the base in the base that you are doing the operation in. You find the value of that number in that base. So in this case, when I added 3 plus 2, I got 5. However, I'm doing the addition in base 4, And in base 4, the highest number is 3. So, and in this case, the addition of 3 and 2 is 5, which is greater than 4. So you need to convert 5. You need to get the value of 5 in base 4. You do that by dividing 5 by the base. So when I did that, I got 11. And what you do is that you need to write down 1 and carry the other one over. So I've done that, which is 1 here. So 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1. That will give me 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the answer in base 4 when you add this to this. But we can't stop here because the question says we should find the value in denary. So denary means base 10. So we want to convert 4214 to base 10. So we say convert 4214 to base 10. Okay, so this is 421 4. So this is 4 times the base 4 plus 2 times the base plus 1 times 4, which is the base. So come here 0, 1, 2. 4 is the power of 2 is 16. That's 4 times 16 plus 2. 4 is the power of 1 is 4. 2 times 4 plus 1 plus 1 times 4 is the power of 0 is 1. 4 times 16 is 64. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 times 1 is 1. 64 plus 8 will give us 72 plus 1, that's 72. So that's the answer. Number 3. Find the missing number in the following addition in base 2. So this is the missing number. So for us to get the missing number, we need to subtract this from this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 0. So I have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So I'm going to do subtraction, which is the opposite of addition. Okay, so in base 2, now 0 cannot remove 1 from 0. So what we need to do is to borrow. And since all these digits are zeros, we can't borrow from them. We can only borrow from here. If we borrow from here, the one we are borrowing is 2. So when it gets here, it becomes 2. So we borrow from here. What's left is 1. When it gets to this point, it's 2. We still have to borrow to this point. So here's 1 and here's 2. We borrow from here, here's 1, here's 2. We borrow from here, here's 1 left, here's 2. Yes, yeah, it's 2 we borrowed. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can ignore this last 0 because it's not important. So our side 1 0 0 1 2. So this was what this figure was added to this figure to get this. That's the implication. That's the answer. Alright. We want to determine the base in which this addition was done. If you look at it, 465 plus 24 plus 225 equals to 1050. No base was given, so we are going to determine the base that this addition was done in. Okay, so let's proceed. So what we have is 465, 24, and 205 equals to 0, 5, 0, 1 plus. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, now we're going to try some bases. I want to start with base 4. Let me see if I get the value of 14 in base 4. I'm going to have 0 and something. So let's see. 14 in base 4. 4 into 14 is 3. And 2. 4 into 3 is 0 and 2. So I have 32. The first digit is 0 and the first digit is 2. So it was not done in base 4. So let me try base 6. So 14 into 6. 6 into 14 will give me 2. Remainder 6 times 2 is 12. Remainder 2 also. I think I made a mistake. 4 into 14. 4 times 2 is 12. Okay, 12. Okay, center. So this is 6. Okay, so 6 again to 2 is 7. Another 2, 22. Then try 7. 14 into 7. 7 into 14 will give me 2. That's 0. And 7 into 2. 7 to 2 is 0. Remainder 2. 20. Okay, I think the first digit is 0 and the first digit is also 0. So I think this might slightly be the base, but I'm not too sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this 0. So if I have this 0, this is my first addition, the first value to this answer. So remember 2. Sorry, I have 2 here, so I'll carry over 2. So let me see if I add all this. If I add this to these digits and add to it, and then find the equivalent of that in base 7. Let me see if I'm going to have 5. So 6 plus 2 give me 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Let me see what 12 will give in base 7. 12 in base 7. 7 to 12 is 1, remainder 5. And 7 to 1 is 0, remainder 1. That's 15. And if I write down 5, carry 1, I think I've gotten its 2 digits. So let's go on. So this one I carry over. If I bring it here, so 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 in base 7 is 10. 7 to 7 is 1, remainder 0. 7 to 1 is 0, remainder 1. So if I write 10 here, what do I have? 1050, 1050. That's correct. So this shows that, therefore, this operation, the addition, is done or was done in base 7. So that's your answer. The addition here is done in base 7. So this is 10507, and this is 7, this is 7, and this is also what? 7. So this is the answer. Two. If 345 plus 70 plus 124 is equal to 552, what is the base used? 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 1, 2, 4. And the result is 5, 5, 2. So in this case, this exercise is similar to this exercise. So what I'm going to look for is to determine the base used, the base in which this addition was done. So we're still going to do exactly what we did here. So the first part is 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 for 13. So we want to, no, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. So we want to know the base that will give us 2 as the first digit. And then when the other digit was carried over. Okay, so let's see. Let's try 11 into base 3. Let me try 3. 3 into 11 will give me 3. Remainder 2. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 1. Remainder 0 and 2 here, 0, remainder 1. This is 102. They cannot be 102 because it has 3 digits, and addition and subtraction always have 2. So you write that one and carry the other, so it cannot be base 3. So let's try this. 6, 11, 6 into 11 will give me 1, remainder 5. Yes, 2 is not 26. So let's try this. 7, 7, 11, 7 to 11 give me 1, remainder 4. 1 remainder 4. And what you have here is 2. Okay, so let's try 8. 11 into this 8. 8 into 11 give me 1, remainder 3. And 8 here is 0, remainder 1. But the first digit is 2, and the first digit is 0, so cannot. Let's try 9. 9 to 11. 9 to 11 gives me 1, remainder 2. Okay, I think this first digit is 2 and this first digit is 2. Okay, so 9 4 that will give us 9 into 1 will give us 0, remainder 1. So let's wipe this one off. This is my first part of the addition. 5 plus 2 plus 4, that's 13. That's 11. 11 in base 9 is 12. So write down 2, carry 1 over. So let's see. 4 plus 7. I think I'll write carried over here. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. And here is 5. So let me see. Since 9, 11 in base 9 will give me 11, give me 12. Let me also try 13 in base 9 to see if I'm going to have my first digit to be 5. So 13 in base 9. 9 into 13 will give me 1, remainder 1, remainder 1, remainder. Okay. So I think I need this one that was carried over, added to this. It was added to this. So 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 2, 13 plus 1, 14. 14. So I say 14. So 9 to 14, 1, remainder 5. And 9 to 1, 0, remainder 1, 15. So here's 15 carried. 1 was carried over. So 3 plus 1, 4 plus this one, 5. So let me see. 5 in base 9. Okay. So that's 5. Okay. So write the 5. 5, 5, 2. So it shows that this addition was done in base 9. So you can see when I carried out the addition in base 9, I got 5, 5, 2. And what you have here is also 5, 5, 2. So this addition is done in base 9. 9, 9, 9. Therefore, the addition is done in base 9. In base 9. So that's the answer. Material 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 4, 1 give us 5, 0, 4. Okay. For when we have a 4 plus 1, 5. For if 4 plus 1 gives us 5, it shows that this in which this addition was done, 5 is not the highest power or the highest number. So to say 5 is not the highest power. For instance, this is not this. It could be, since 4 plus 1 is 5, this could be done in base 6, base 7, but not lower than base 6. If it's base 5, 4 plus 1 to give us 5, here will be 0 because 5 in base 5 will give us 10. But since this one is 4 plus 1 to give us 5, you see that it's done in base 6, base 7, base 8, base 9. So I'm not going to try base 4, base 3, base 4. I'd rather I want to try from base 6, base 7. So let me start with base 6. If it's in base 6, then 4 plus 1, 5 is correct. It gives us 5 in base 6. Because the highest power in base 6, the highest number is 5. So 3 plus 4, 7. So let's see what 7 will give us in base 6. 7, 6 into 7, 1, and the 1, 16, 7, 1. But what we have here is what we have here is 0. Well, the first digit here is 0 and the first digit here is 1, so it's not done in base 6. So let's check base 5. Now let's check base 7. 7. This is going this. So let's say 7 in base 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And 77 is 1, and 0, 7 is 0, and 1. So the first digit is 0. So I'm going to write 0 here and carry 1. So 2 plus 1 is 2, plus this one 4. So since it's base 7 and 4 is not greater than 7, we write down 4. So what do we have? 405. And what do we have here? 405. Therefore, it shows that this addition was done in base 7 and we did. So we put our 7 here and put 7 here, put 7 here. Okay, so therefore the addition is done in addition is done in base 7. Okay. Number 4. Find the sum of 305 and 1045. 305 and 1045 plus. So 3 plus 4 is 7. It's greater than the base we are working in. So if the sum is greater than the base we are working in, you convert the answer so that the equivalent of the base. First, 3 plus 4 is 7, and we're working base 5, and 7 is greater than 5. So I want to find the value of 7 in base 5 by dividing repeatedly by 5. So here's 7, we're going to divide 7 by 5 until we get to 0. 5 into 7 is 1, we end up 2. 5 into 1, 0, we end up 1. So the equivalent of 7 in base 5 is 12. So we're going to write down 2, carry 1 over. So 0 plus 0 is 0, plus this one that we carried over from here, that will give us 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is less than 5, so we just write down the 4. So the answer is 4, 1, 2, 4. So that's the answer.